Hello, my dear children. Today I'm here with Module 6 of Chapter 3 Food We Eat. So let's see what is there in the module. I'll share my screen. Module 6, Chapter 3 Food We Eat. Okay, children. So, in the previous module, what we had learned? We had learned about balanced diet. So, when we take all the three types of food items, energy giving, bodybuilding, and protective, in the right amount, in the correct amount, then that diet is called balanced diet. Okay, so we had learned that in a balanced diet, the most bigger portion, the biggest portion should be of energy giving food, then the protective food, then lesser than that is bodybuilding, and the least part is the fats, sugar, salt. Okay, now I also gave you this worksheet 4. There were these two new words, balanced diet and necessary. I hope you have done them in your notebook. I gave you a question, what is a balanced diet? So the answer is a diet which contains all the food items in a right amount for keeping our body healthy and fit is called balanced diet. The question E was, draw, name and color any two food items of each kind of food. So I told you, I explained you that you have to draw two items for energy giving, two items for bodybuilding, and two items for protective food. I hope you have done that. Draw the pictures, name them and color them. Now, today's topic is healthy food habits. So our food habits have to be healthy. There are certain rules which we should follow so that while we are having our food, so that we are healthy, we stay healthy. So the number one thing is fresh fruits and certain vegetables should not be cooked. Instead, they should be taken raw in form of salad. It is so because if these food items are cooked, many protective nutrients may be lost due to heat. So some food items, as you can see in the picture, are carrots, are broccoli, cucumber. We eat them raw, isn't it? We eat them raw because they have lots of nutrients. They have lots of vitamins and minerals. And if we cook them, the vitamin and minerals are destroyed. They are finished. So we eat them raw. Okay, so we should, and if needed, if needed to cook, we should cook them in very low heat. Okay, very low heat, low temperature. Okay, now next, number 2 rule is hard to digest food items should be cooked. Cooking makes food softer and easier to digest. It also improves the taste and smell of food. Cooking food also kills harmful germs. So there in the first thing we learned that few things we have to eat raw, and here we are learning rule number 2 that few things we have to cook. So the things which are hard like potatoes, we have to cook them. If we'll not cook them and we'll eat them like that, they will not be tasty, they will not be soft, and our body will find it difficult to digest. Okay, so hard food items we have to cook, and the items which are hard to digest also. Okay, so and cooking is very good in the sense it kills the harmful germs also present in the food item. It enhances the taste, it enhances the smell. Okay, so here in the picture you can see there are some mouth watering dishes for you, the french fries, noodles. So you cannot eat potato like that. You have, if you cut them in the shape of French fries, can you eat them without frying? You have to fry them, isn't it? Same with the noodles. Can you eat them without cooking? No, you can't. So there are food items which we have to cook, okay? And then they are easy to digest. Next, you should drink plenty of clean water to stay healthy. So you all know, we learned in the previous module also that we have to drink plenty of water, 6 to 8 glasses of water, but the water should be clean, hygienic. Okay, so we all know, we all are drinking clean water. We are drinking from RO, we are drinking from AquaGuard, so our water is clean, so we have to take care of that. And you all know that water has many benefits. It helps in digestion, it keeps our skin glowing and healthy, and it it is very less likely that we fall sick if we are having lots of water, because all the harmful things can be removed easily from our body if we are drinking water. So harmful chemicals can be removed in the form of urine, in the form of sweat. Okay, so drinking lots of water is very, very important, especially in summers. Now, number 4, nowadays, the most important thing is washing hands. You all know, due to this COVID-19 also, due to the coronavirus also, we have been listening this so many times, almost every day, on our phones, on TV, we are reading in newspaper. Everywhere there is this message: wash your hands again and again. Because see, these hands we use the most in our body. We touch our eyes with our hands, we touch our nose with our hands, we touch our mouth with our hands, we eat our food with our hands. So these hands are very important part of our body, and they have to be clean. So washing hands is very important, and so that the germs are killed which are present on the hand. And before eating food and after eating food, please wash your hands. Some children, some people, they don't wash hands before eating food. It is very, very important that we should wash hands before eating food and before touching food items. Okay. Now, rule number 5, do not eat food which is exposed to dust and flies. It may cause diseases. See, these flies, they go everywhere. They go to dirty places. So they sit on dirty places. Then their body parts have germs. Their body parts have harmful things. And when they sit on our food, these harmful germs, these harmful things are transferred to our food, and our food gets contaminated. Our food becomes unhygienic, and we cannot eat such food. So you should avoid the food which has flies on it. Okay, especially when you go outside, and there you feel like, sometimes you feel like eating street food, roadside foods. So there, this thing is there on the roadside, on the streets, there are lots of flies, and they sit on the food, and then you take that food and eat. So be very careful from next time. So next is rule number 6 is always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. It removes germs and eggs of worms which may be sticking to them. So these vegetables, they are coming from fields. In the fields, you know that there is dust, there is mud, there are animals also. There's dog, there's cat, there are cows. So there are animals also roaming around in the field. So imagine the vegetables, they are picked up from the field, and they then the shopkeepers give them to you, and they are with all the dirt, all the dust. The shopkeepers are not washing them after taking them from the field. They are not washing them. They're giving you as it is. So it's important that you wash them, because they have all the dirt and dust. Okay, so please wash the fruits and vegetables before eating. Before eating, so you have to wash them properly with water, with running water, and one time, two time, three times, wash them properly till the time you feel that yes, now they are absolutely clean. The water which is rinsing is absolutely clean. So wash them properly. And there is one very important rule, that you have to wash the vegetables before peeling. Okay, so like if you are washing cucumber, so wash it before peeling, because if you peel it and then you wash it again, the nutrients are also washed away. The nutrients of cucumber will be washed away. Okay, so if you are eating apple, suppose, and you are peeling the apple and then washing it, again the nutrients of the apple will go away. If you are, suppose if you are eating beans, you cut the beans and then you wash them, the nutrients of the beans will go away. So this is for all the vegetables and fruits which we are eating raw, or which we are eating cooked. They should be washed before peeling. Okay, so here we learned some very important healthy food habits. Okay, so today I am not giving you any assignment here. uh, in your live classes, your teachers will be doing rest of the question answers and new words with you in your live classes. Also, in the next week module, I will give you a complete set of new words and question answers. Okay, so that you can just check on your work whether it is complete or not. Okay, I hope you have understood today's module, and stay safe, stay healthy, and have good habits, good healthy habits. It's very, very important. Okay, for you and for everyone. Bye bye, take care.